Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Unbounce for affiliate A/B testing campaigns, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Unbounce for affiliate A/B testing campaigns, start by logging into your Unbounce account. Navigate to your dashboard and select the landing page you want to test. Click on the A/B testing option located in the top right corner. Choose to create a new variant of your landing page. Ensure that both variants share the same URL to effectively track performance. Edit the content or design elements in the new variant to create a distinct difference. Consider altering headlines, images, or call to action buttons for effective testing. In the Settings menu, define the percentage of traffic that will be directed to each variant. Set the duration for the A/B test to gather enough data, ideally at least 2 weeks. Use the Goals section to specify what actions you want to track, such as clicks or form submissions. Integrate any affiliate tracking links in both variants to monitor conversions accurately. Implement Google Analytics or another analytics tool for further insights into traffic behavior. Once your variants and settings are configured, publish your A/B test. Monitor performance regularly through the Unbounce dashboard. Evaluate conversion rates and other key metrics once the test concludes. Identify which variant performed better based on the data collected. Make any necessary changes to your live landing page based on the winning variant. Continue to run tests periodically to optimize your affiliate campaigns over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.